Hello students, good morning. I am N.K. Jha from APS. As we know that the running topic is a triumph of surgery, and we have described the beginning part and most of the part we have understood and we have explained. So, the character of Harriet Pumphrey, Tricky, and the gardener is too much impressive and attractive, but we have to follow the instructions of the narrator, instructions of the speaker, just like the speaker roles, the narrator role played by James Harriot, and who played the role of doctors, veterinary doctors, and as we know, all of a sudden the Pumphrey's pet fell ill seriously, and according to the thought of Pumphrey, he was very rich woman, but according to Pumphrey's nature, Pumphrey's thought, Tricky was suffering from malnutrition. So he started to give and provide some extra foods like Horlicks, and cod liver oil, and some malt. But it was not suit to the Tricky, and according to the doctors, according to Harriot, Tricky's condition was not good, and I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was trotting along with his little tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on, drooping in his harshness. I thought it would not be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey, and they began to think maybe some days after Mrs. Pumphrey will call me, because he knows the condition of Tricky. So the expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught, anxious. Mrs. Pumphrey was anxious. Tricky would eat nothing. Refused even his favorite dishes, and besides, he had bouts of vomiting. He spent all his time lying on a rug, panting, didn't want to go for walks, didn't want to do anything. So this was the shocking information by Mrs. Pumphrey, and gave the information to the speaker, James Harriot. Now, the Tricky's lover, the entire staff was roused and maids, because Pumphrey was a rich woman. A lot of servants and maids used to work in the house of Pumphrey, Mrs. Pumphrey. So when the narrator came on the road, the narrator glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side, and I patted the head, and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. कि मैंने उसको थपथपाया जैसे ही, तो उसने पूँछ हिलाया, मतलब टेल को सुक किया. Poor old lad, and said by the speaker, "You have not a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you." This was the thought of the speaker, narrator, that means James Herriot, and James Herriot wants to express his view and know very well you have no more energy to kick, but I think and I know how to cure you, कि मुझे ये पता है कि तुमको ठीक कैसे करना है, मैं तुम्हें ठीक कर दूंगा. So some questions are given, and these are the 4 questions, and according to the circumstances and according to the meaning of the questions, have to explain and try to explain it. At the surgery, the household dog surged round me. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. At the surgery, that means hospital में, surgery means here hospital. The household dogs surged around me, कि कुत्ते सब हमारे अगल बगल घूमते रहते हैं. ट्रिकी लुक डाउन एट द नॉइजी पैक विद डल आइज. ट्रिकी जो है सो बहुत ही सुस्त आँखों से जो है सो नीचे की तरफ देख रहा है. व्हेन पुट डाउन, ले मोशनलेस ऑन द कारपेट, और नीचे में यह बिल्कुल कारपेट के ऊपर मोशनलेस हो जाता है. द अदर डॉग्स आफ्टर स्निफिंग राउंड हिम फॉर अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स, और चारों तरफ से कुछ सेकंड के लिए कुत्ते जो है सो इन्हें घेर लेते हैं. डिसाइडेड ही वॉज एन अनइंटरेस्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इग्नोर्ड हिम, और वह कुत्ते फिर सोचते हैं कि यह जो है सो अनइंटरेस्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट हैं, और उसे फिर इग्नोर कर देते हैं. आई मेड अप अ बेड फॉर हिम इन अ वार्म लूज बॉक्स नेक्स्ट टू द वन वेयर द अदर डॉग स्लेप्ट. मैंने उसके लिए एक वार्म एक बेड बनाया है, और वह गर्म भी होगा. लूज बॉक्स नेक्स्ट टू द वन वेयर द अदर डॉग स्लेप्ट, जहाँ पर दूसरे कुत्ते भी सोते हैं. फॉर 2 days आई केप्ट एन आई ऑन हिम. 2 दिन तक मैं उसके ऊपर निगाह रखूँगा. गिविंग हिम नो फूड बट प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर, मतलब उसे हम प्रचुर मात्रा में उसे हम खाना तो नहीं देंगे, बट प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर. आई शैल ट्राई टू प्रोवाइड प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings. So this was the routine life. This was the precautions for the Tricky. But at the end of second day, he started to show some interest. जैसे ही second day समाप्त हुआ, वह जो है सो कुछ हलचल, कुछ रिकवरी उसके अंदर जो हुआ उसको शो करने लगा. इन हिज सराउंडिंग्स. एंड ऑन द थर्ड, दैट मीन्स ऑन द थर्ड डे, दूसरा दिन वह जो है सो कुछ रिकवर हुआ, ठीक हुआ. एंड ऑन द थर्ड डे, तीसरे दिन, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. वह जो है सो जैसे ही यार्ड के अंदर, यार्ड में कुत्ते को सुना. When I opened the door, आप देखे होंगे एक कुत्ता जब भूखता है तो दूसरा भी देखा देखी भूखना शुरू कर देता है. नहीं देखे हो तो देख लेना एक बार. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound, and his friend. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. जैसे ही मैंने दरवाज़ा खोला, दिस वॉज द स्टेटमेंट, एंड here I is the narrator, James Herriot. Tricky trotted out and was immediately influenced by Joe. तो मैंने क्या पाया कि ट्रिकी में तेज़ी से सुधार हो रहा है. The greyhound and his friends, after rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, कि उसके जो दोस्त हैं उसके ऊपर रोलिंग करने के बाद इंस्पेक्टिंग कर रहे हैं उसको, मतलब सर्च कर रहे हैं, खोज कर रहे हैं. द डॉग्स मूव्ड ऑफ डाउन द गार्डन, ट्रिकी फॉलोड देम. और ये सब सारा बात जो है सो ट्रिकी देख रहा है. ट्रिकी क्या कर रहा है? देख रहा है कि कुत्ते को किस तरह से रोलिंग करने के बाद जो है सो इंस्पेक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, डॉग जो है सो गार्डन में घूम रहे हैं. ट्रिकी फॉलोड देम, ट्रिकी उन लोगों को देख रहा था. रोलिंग स्लाइटली विथ हिज सरप्लस फैट, हल्का सा रोलिंग किया उसने. लेटर दैट डे आई वॉज प्रेजेंट एट फीडिंग टाइम. आई वॉच्ड व्हाइल ट्रिस्टन स्लॉप्ड द फूड इनटू द बाउल्स. देयर वॉज द यूजुअल हेडलॉन्ग rush followed by the sounds of high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. Later that day, उस दिन के बाद, I was present at feeding time. I is a speaker here. A speaker was present at feeding time. मतलब खाने के समय में स्पीकर जो है सो वहाँ पर क्या थे? प्रेजेंट थे, प्रेजेंट रहते थे. आई वॉच्ड, आई नोटिस्ड while Trashton slopped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush followed by the sounds of high-speed eating. कुत्ते को जैसे ही खाना दिया जाता था तो सारे कुत्ते जो है सो खाने के समय में जो साउंड्स निकालते थे वो सुनाई देता था और भीड़ भी लग जाती थी. एवरी डॉग न्यू, सारे कुत्ता को पता था दैट इफ़ ही फेल बिहाइंड द अदर्स, कि यदि वह इसमें पीछे रह जाएगा तो ही वॉज लिएबल टू हैव सम कंपटीशन, तो उसे खाना खाने के लिए बहुत ही मशक्क़त करनी पड़ेगी. फॉर द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ हिज मील्स, कि बचा हुआ खाना या अंत में जो भी खाना बच गया वो मुझे मिल जाए. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस वॉज द कंडीशन of the hospital. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining balls. जैसे ही उन लोगों ने खाना को ख़त्म कर दिया था, Tricky took a walk, तो Tricky ने कोशिश किया चलने का. जो Tricky took a walk around the shining balls. Round the shining balls, वह एक बॉल था जो चमक रही थी, तो उसके तरफ ट्रिकी ने जाने का कोशिश किया. लिकिंग कैजुअली इनसाइड वन और टू ऑफ देम. नेक्स्ट डे एन एक्स्ट्रा बॉल वाज पुट आउट फॉर हिम. वह उसको चाटने की कोशिश कर रहा था. लिकिंग कैजुअली इनसाइड वन और टू ऑफ देम. नेक्स्ट डे, दूसरा दिन, एन एक्स्ट्रा बॉल वाज पुट आउट फॉर हिम. एक एक्स्ट्रा मतलब अतिरिक्त कटोरा, बॉल मीन्स कटोरा, उसके लिए क्या किया गया? रख दिया गया. एंड आई वॉज प्लीज्ड टू सी हिम जॉसलिंग हिज वे टुवर्ड्स इट. एंड टू सी, आई वॉज प्लीज्ड टू सी हिम जॉसलिंग हिज वे टुवर्ड्स इट. एंड ग्रेट रिकवरी इन Tricky. So I mean, the condition of Tricky was not good, but at present he was recovering. He was recovering and getting such kind of news and such kind of situation. The narrator, James Herriot, became too happy and He tried to recover Tricky as soon as, because the owner of Tricky was Pumphrey, and she was a kind-hearted lady, and she used to love Tricky, and on the other hand, James Harriot wants to recover Tricky because he was suffering from the disease, and the doctor James Harriot played an played a veterinary doctor's roles in this particular story, and he focused on the condition of the Tricky. Okay, so in next class I shall try to explain from then on to page number 5, that means page number 4 and page number 5, and I mean to say in last class this chapter will finish, and we have discussed a lot more in 3-4 classes, and we have understood the condition of Tricky and the behavior about Pumphrey, and how James Harriot treated Tricky and how he recovered. So great books and great thing this was, and so I mean to say we have to read as a homework from then on to the page number 6, and not much, very less, and in next class it will be finished. And I mean to say once again, I want to repeat, word meaning is given in your book at the end of the chapters, and you have to read it accurately, and I mean to say according to this you are able to understand it very strongly and very nicely. Okay, thanks.